wanna hear that? Me Queenie never sell my soul. Never! Me build my me make my one brother. One man against
I'm Macadocious. Ladies, when you hear that sound, you know.
Wagwan on a dip on. Welcome forward to Sunday and Bones TV with the next banger. You see it, you see the music video, a flash across the screen. Music video come out from Sicka Rymes and Macka And Seh. You don't know say a Queenie went for the on the track with Macka And Seh, but you don't know he violate the order with Sicka Rymes. So Sicka Rymes just drop her off and Queenie aka we see that you see it. Yeah. Mama are crazy, you see, but we don't know say Sicka Rymes them she a throw a word for, you see it. You can just leave it in the comment section when you think about what she a say, you see it. Yeah man, and if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it. Yeah man. I go hear what Mama say.
is a household name. Me not just sing. My album. I'm glad after explore 50 years old, still there, was still full of chat, not take it back. I'm glad after explore 50 years old, still there, was still full of chat, not take it back. So you know something can go on. Oh, you mean, but too old, wicked experience from 10-year-olds. Even thing never bend, never fall. Me, Queenie, never tell my soul. Must think I'm in here, I'm chicken or fall. Anyway, me them have to take a fall. 2 years ago, 100% silk. I had the double tap founder. You remember no talent silk. I want to them silk. You hear that Queenie up on the scene right now. I have to make way for the Queen right now. SMG at the team right now. Anything we make them a team bomb up. I listen to the Queen, man. I'm full of talent. My voice go everywhere with me. Nobody can teach my voice. But I run the track, Queenie. My track, my mama. Yeah. Mash everything. So you're a Queen, sir. Queenie up on the scene right now. I have to make way for the Queen right now. SMG at the team right now. Anything. Hey, your Queen has spit bars. This is not 1, 2, 3 music or ABC. This is spitting, just drilling. Mash, where you leaving me, Mash?
I'm not beeping you, Jen.
So you put slow me, let me sing to Mariah crazy, my girl power. Listen to the Queen. R.I.P. Roro. Run it down, Queenie. It's Queenie G. I may have a couple of G's with me. That's PNB. London girl will see in me. 5 kids only perceiving me. People look and believe in me. I sit on up on my frequency. Stop with all the indecency. Do everything done mad recently. I'm glad after explore 60 years old, still there, was still full of chat, not take it back. I'm glad after explore 60 years old, still there, was still full of chat, not take it back. Get stop saying no 17 on gold. Oh, you mean, but too old, we can experience from 10-year-old. Even thing never been, never put. Listen, somebody at 100% silk. How am Tuna? You see 100% silk? My name is Garage. Because I am the first song him do for me on the crosses, then him do double tap becomes a hit. Then him do hotness, then him do him never do 50-year-old and me and him Garage in our garden. So Queenie, you know what's my greatest wish, Queenie? It's for you to drill. Mr. Silk, I cannot some list. So you can do anything, Queenie. And it's a 20 after. This is the me will tell Silk Seh. Me can't drill comment. List true word sealer. So me are telling you when I did that's why you see what I mind? To me. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Me no know tangai bang along with nobody want for me and for me listen to the Queen. Here is an honor. 100%. My versatile. Me not just sing over here. I got all purpose Queenie. Still gone. I don't listen to the Queen, man. I want to listen. I'm glad it's a God. Listen, time jump a time the phone. When I hear the Queen I spit bars, I want to some bars. People feel like, them can't borrow my voice. I must say bad now. Anyway, I'm going to my voice there with me. My voice can't bounce off and not now. Double time. So you know something done goal. I mean, but to all, we can speak from 10 years old. The resting never been, never fall. Me Queenie never send my soul. Must think so many hands sticking our phone. Anyone with a man to take control. And I never hear me Queenie never sell my soul. Must think so many hands sticking our phone. Anyone with a man to take control. Jump on a car.
Manton Superstar.
Absolutely fine.
All right. So for persons who don't know Mr. Silvera, he has been viral on social media over the taxi the strike that has been going on with the taxi and stuff. Now, what exactly happened? We want to hear your side of the story.
Yeah, it take two to make a quarrel, right?
Right.
So, be honest, we as a bus owner and a taxi operator, we decide to strike.
Right.
I understand, and it's like me just come on the scene with two buckler from decide to have a coke, or just have a wall of this. I'm on load off for the stunt. I'm asking who is him to load off for the stunt. It's not like a bully is him or a bad man is him or what. But as respect goes out, we say we're striking. I was sick on the Transport Authority and the government now give me a chance. If me never do all of this, in look into it now, and I tell we said we can get amnesty, we can get this or we can get that.
Okay, so you're saying that the government is looking into giving you guys amnesty?
Right now, up to now, it's to the drawing board right now.
Okay.
So with all of the excitement from Monday until now, I'm okay with the amnesty now.
Okay, so all because of what you did?
All because of what I did. And it's not a self-praise or is something good what have I done. But be honest, we're sick and tired of it. I'm fed up of it. Be honest, because who feels it knows it. Who don't ever care out there, me make it up back to them.
Alright. Make it up how?
Them know how me make it up back to them.
Okay.
And it's not a shame of the game what they must say is a clown or whatever. That is my job, that is my hobby. That is something what me love to do. I love to take care of the kids and sit with the kids and good, because enough kids out there don't have a mother or father to say a glass of water here or something, and I try my best every year to keep also. It could have been a treat or a road show for the kids, and both for the homeless or for whatever. So that's I'm not ashamed of them again. So who want to see me on the street and say Mr. Cloud and represent them, see me too good. So.
Alright, now I know that you had a piece of stick in your hand. You had a piece of stick in your hand. Where is that and where did you get it from?
Alright, but honest, walking alongside the road and I see the piece of stick and I broke it off for the park. I decided, so who not comply with me? I do what I have to do.
Which is what? So what if they didn't comply? What would you have done?
Be honest, I know them will comply with me.
Okay.
It's not like it's a bullyism or a bad manism or a danshipism, but the respect goes out to me.
Okay. And so, where is that word now?
That piece of word broke up on show.
Because I think you need to frame it, you know.
No, that's what everybody has said. That piece of word should have been framed, but in a real life, we can't put it back together.
It's not the piece of board, but I hope that you don't take it and you don't do the same thing that you did. But I hope that you accept it is our gift from me. Let me just say that, from me, not from Seh, but from me to you. And please use it wisely. Use it wisely. It's a weapon, so use it wisely. It's not to bully passengers, but like as a defense. Like if you work a night and somebody come at you, you get me? Yeah. So that is from myself to you. All right, and thank you so much for stopping by the Z. We appreciate it so much.
All right. All due respect.